Hello guys, how have been your day? Welcome to another edition of our market analysis. Last week we did not make any video because of some things, but this week we are back. I hope you are very happy. So we'll be announcing some currency pairs for next week. For the next week market opens. And the first currency pair we'll be analyzing is Usdcad. Usdcad, you can evidently see that Usdcad broke structure. So all we are expecting is that the market should make a reversal around this zone, around this. Then we should be seeing push down. Then we could see some minor retracement up. Then eventually down, probably. So we're expecting this next week. If not, if this market could break these highs, then we'll be expecting these markets to break out, retest, then up it goes. So those are the two things we'll be looking out for next week. We expect this market to either go a little bit higher, reject, retest the zone, then fall. If not, we expect this market to break out, retest, then continue. That will be that for Usdcad. Our next currency pair is Usdjpy. Usdjpy has so far shows a bearish run over the time, but I'm not satisfied with the way it's looking. We can see clearly that it broke the structure, came down. So I believe these are just retracement, but failed to close below these lows. So if this market eventually retrace and break this high, then the market face a switch to a buy trend. So we'll expect this market to retrace this side and continue up. If not, we want to see this market make probably a double top and eventually break out of that zone. So if it's breaking out of the zone, sorry for this, expect the market to eventually comes down, break out, retest, and eventually runs out of the through of the zone. So this is what we'll be expecting from Usdjpy next week before we can see any change. But we must know that previously there's this run before that has already occurred, talking about this. So we could see a retracement to somewhere around there. Another scenario now is that we see talking about this swing on the zone. This is a major swing. You could just see a retracement somewhere around this zone. Then the market will continue back up. You must know that the market doesn't just move from a straight row like this, but this is just a theoretical description. So we're expecting the really around here for the market to come down a little bit, then continue back up. These are the three scenarios on Usdjpy that we'll be expecting for next week. The third currency pair is Gbpusd. Gbpusd shows a strong bullish run on this trade, and it has broke structure to let us know that this is now a strong bullish trend. So but you can see a minor structure here was broken and it went down, retraced. So you might see a move down to somewhere around there. Probably somewhere around here. Somewhere around there. Then we expect this market to bounce around there and up it goes, continue up. So we expect we are hoping this market will break this structure, then comes down, retest, continue down, then back up. It's either it pick this zone or this zone. If not, if it pick none of them, then we know that definitely this market will break out, retest, and eventually down. It's going to go. So those are going to be our expectation for next week. The third currency pair is Gbpjpy. Gbpjpy is almost the same as Gbpusd. You can see this that a bearish trend has been established. This is a lower high and it gave us a lower low at this point, which actually retraced back, failed to break this high. Now it's making a double top. I see the market break down, retest and continue downward. Or if this current bullish run continues up and break this high, then we can say the face of this market has switched to retest and continue up. So that will be the two scenarios we'll be expecting from Gbpjpy. The next currency pair is Eurusd. Eurusd, I've been finding it difficult to break this zone for quite a long run. So what we'll be waiting, what we'll be seeing, expecting next week is this market to either eventually reject the zone and break this higher low, then continue down, or eventually break out of this zone strongly, then retest, then continue up. So those will be our outlook on Eurusd. We'll wait for this market to break this structure, retest, then go long. Rather still, if not, then we are expecting this market to fall. If this zone could hold, this market is going to fall. It's going to retest back this area, then we expect the continuous bearish run downward. So the last pair here is XAUUSD, which is gold. Gold has been moving in some kind of range for a week now. But still, we could have something to say about it. It's evidence that we are on a bearish run on gold so far. on a bearish run on gold, but all we expect from gold is if it's going to continue its bearish run, we expect gold to break out of this zone, retest, and continue its move. If not, we want this zone to hold, then break out, retest, and continue. So those are the two scenarios we are expecting from gold. Any other thing, we just watch. We are not making any decision yet because the direction is not very clear. So we need something that is very clear and certain. So on gold, until this market breakout and retest, then we can find an entry and go long, or this market eventually hold this zone eventually hold and put this market down, retest, then continue downward. I hope we have make you happy. So these are our outlook. These are our outlook for next week. I mean from 20th of July to 24th of July 2020. If you are interested in our course, you can see most of our video. If you are interested in our course, you can click the link below and send an email to us at realdtforex@gmail.com, or you can follow us on Instagram and send us a direct message. And you can join our Telegram group, this link below, and you can join our free Telegram group where we drop analysis once in a while. Then you can enroll for our course. You can follow us on our Facebook page, the TFX Academy. Yeah, this is our Instagram account. We drop analysis, and I hope you will not miss these opportunities to follow us on Instagram account. And these are our last day for last week. You can see the Usdcad. You can see our buy limit. If you are tired of sitting before your chart all day, if you are ready to make money every time, you don't need a computer, you don't need anything. All you just need is your chart, plain chart. We trade on plain chart. If you want a consistent result, you only want to pick your trade once in a week and you forget about it, then enroll for our TTS strategy. We only work on pending orders. You can see this trade was dropped on our academy, the TFS Academy Swiss franc GPY, and you can see the sniper entry. So don't miss this golden opportunity to enroll. We are currently giving it out for $500 off. We are deducting $500 from the fee. So enroll now and enjoy this privilege. You might not see this again tomorrow. So enroll now and enjoy this privilege. And I wish you a very lovely and a kind week. And I pray this week is going to be peaceful for you. Thanks, and God bless. Cheers.